Okay, Omar Jordan, RIT Safety Solutions. Today what I'm going to show you is how to repack the cartridge system, whether it's a rope or a webbing system. We're going to go over both of these today. We've used this cartridge for over 15 years, and what it does is it keeps the rope or the webbing perfectly in line. If you never use this for years, it's going to pull out perfectly. I'm going to start with the rope descender. It's kind of nice if you can put most of the rope or webbing in a bucket. It just makes it feed out and flow a little bit easier. We're going to start with the end of the rope, which has a 2-inch O-ring sewn onto it. This is designed for when you're coming down and descending. This is going to catch your hand, so it gives you ample time to stop. You be coming down very fast. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to leave about 6 or 8 inches of the rope out. We're going to come back and we're going to measure from that point to the end of this cartridge. Okay? We're going to take one fold at a time with the rope, and we're going to stuff it into the cartridge, and we're going to slide it all the way in. You'll feel it when it gets to the end. Check, it's nice and smooth. You're going to continue doing that. You're going to take the rope, you're going to measure the cartridge. With the rope, only one fold goes into each channel. With the webbing, as you'll see shortly, there's 3 folds that go into each channel. All the way to the end, it's nice and smooth. I know it's a little redundant, but that's all you have to do. Once you get the entire cartridge stuffed, you'll have about 6 feet left over for your rigging of your descending device and storage into either the lumbar system for the Class 2 harnesses, the Scott EasyScape 1 with the rope. We have multiple systems that will use this cartridge. You want to just make sure there's no knots in the rope. The knot's about the only thing that's going to stop the system from working. And you also want to make sure this is smooth. If you check this and there's a big bump in here, you want to stop and pull it out and do it over. Omar Jordan, RIT Safety Solutions. We're back with the rope descender to finish it up. We just didn't want it to be a long process, so we got you started, then we're going to finish up. Keep in mind the rope cartridge only has 1 fold per channel, as opposed to the webbing cartridge that has 3 folds per channel. There again, we're double checking to make sure everything's laying nice and flat. We're going to leave this probably, without the descending device on here, we're going to leave probably 2.5 to 3 feet out of the cartridge to rig. Now, just like the webbing cartridge, this has Velcro, which is going to mate onto the 2-inch wide Velcro on our lumbar bag or on our SCBA mounted systems. This has been proven for years, this design and configuration. We really like it. It deploys very easy, packs very nicely, and it keeps it out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to tri-fold the cartridge. We orient the Velcro so that the Velcro is going to meet the 2-inch Velcro that's on the cartridge, and we're going to just slide the rope cartridge in. We're going to advance the cartridge all the way until the Velcro is hitting this wider Velcro here, just like with the webbing cartridge. Still leaves us room to close the lumbar pouch. This is going to stuff the exact same way. It's a little different because we actually have the flash hook with this device. We have a little bit larger hook envelope for the flash hook. Once you have the descending device in here, it's going to tuck in. We're going to show you in more detail with product specific videos in the future. Basically, the flash hook is going to sit down in the hook envelope just like the Crosby hook did. We're going to tuck everything out of the way neatly. and then it'll close and snap. These straps will go on to the Class 2 or single belt A-frame that's integrated to your gear, and it'll sit very nicely on your body attached to the Class 2 harness. Very low profile, very durable product. It can fit there again, Class 2 single belt, any single belt or any Class 2 belt that's attached to your bunker gear, this lumbar egress bag will work for it. Thank you.